Hey everyone, welcome to this month's market update. It is October, we're in Q4 2023. I want to give you an update on what's happening here in Orange County and just in general, the housing market, what's happening, what you can expect if you're a buyer or a seller or looking to invest, because all these are kind of different. So let's get started with the market is slightly slowing down, and this is normal for this time of year. We're heading after the summer, things kind of slow down. People with families with kids have already moved because if they are looking to get into a specific school or move before the school year, which a lot of them are, they've already moved. So that takes a big portion of the buyers out of the market. So this is pretty normal. This happens every time of year. Things slow down. They slow down even more as we get into the second half of November and December because of all the holidays, Thanksgiving and all that stuff. So it's normal, all right? But there's also a slowdown because of the interest rates. The interest rates have been stubbornly staying high and defied the expectations of, most experts that were thinking that by this time of year we would be lower than last year, but no, we are very close to where we were at last year. So that's taken a lot of buyers out of the market, whether it's because of the affordability, they just don't qualify for what they want, or they are waiting for the interest rates to drop. So the interest rates are, it seems like they're going to be continuing at this level. I'm not going to say it's not going to go down or up. It's going to be pretty stable for the next year. So if you are buying, you want to make sure that you can afford your payment for the foreseeable future. Don't buy based on I'm going to buy and then refinance in 6 months, because 6 months from now, the rates could be very similar or the same. So it doesn't make sense for you to refinance. So the rates are where they are. Prices are moving up slightly because the supply is very low. Supply of homes is very, very low. This is here in Orange County, Southern California, and nationally. The supply of homes is very low. And this is also tied to the interest rates because many people have rates that are below 4 or below 5, and for them to give up those rates and now buy at a 7.25, 7.5, or it depends on what they're buying and their interest rate, but the delta is very big. So when the rates drop, we're going to see listings go up. But in the meantime, we are where we are with rates, and this will keep the level of listings down. Now, if we're talking in general, this time of year, listings start to drop until the end of the year because less people want to move during the holidays, less people want to put their home on the market at this time of year. So it's also normal that we will see supply drop even more as we continue getting closer to the end of the year. But what this means is good homes that are priced reasonably well are still seeing multiple offers. Given the interest rates, given the affordability, all that stuff, still we're seeing multiple offers because there's not too many choices for buyers to choose from. So if something fits their criteria, it's getting gobbled up really quick off the market. Okay? So if you are buying, I would suggest that you get in the market. Like, there's really a good opportunity now. When other buyers are hesitant, this is a great time for you to step in, and you're going to see the equity go up over the years. You're going to be able to refinance in the future, but you will have pegged your price to where you buy it now. So I really I'm encouraging buyers to get into the market. It's not going to be your ideal property. It's not going to be your dream home, but just start somewhere, build on the equity, pay off the mortgage a bit, and you'll be able to, trade up once, you either get your a sizable equity or prices, when the rates go down, mortgages will be more affordable. So anyway, get into the market. If you're a buyer, really take advantage of this time where it's slowing down. Yes, you may still see multiple offers, but it's going to be less competitive than in spring and summer. So take advantage of that. If you are a seller, you really need to make sure your property is Pinterest ready, like we call it. Buyers are so stretched on mortgages, down payments, all that stuff, so they don't want to spend anything more than they have to. The properties that are move-in ready are so much more desirable in today's market. So you need to make sure that that's the case with your property and price it accordingly. And then, with good marketing, you'll be able to get multiple offers. So that's for the seller. If you're looking to invest, there are still opportunities out there, whether they're on market, off market. We're able to get good opportunities. The cash flow is very, very, very tight. You may not be making much or anything really at this point, but again, like the buyers, you are buying at a time when less people are buying, so you're probably going to be getting a better deal, and in the future that's going to pay off big time with the appreciation and the rent increases. So if you have any questions, reach out to us. We're happy to help.